अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम, अम्मा बाद। Respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. First of all, I would like to extend thanks to all of you, especially for Falahdaren Director, for giving me such a precious opportunity to address in this cultural program. Today I want to talk about my school, which is situated roadside of Dagarwa Market. Because we gathered here talk, discuss about education condition in our area, as we all know that education provides a bigger and better opportunity in our life. So let's talk about our Falahdaren Academy, which is brainchild of Sir Abdul Qayyum. This academy was built 5 years ago for a great purpose to provide education Muslims children in Islamic behaviorism. It has one building and has 10 rooms. It provides all necessary facilities for children. Teachers are well experienced and the atmosphere is friendly and the learning is fun and joyful. In our academy, weekly cultural programs is held to develop speaking and writing skills. It has variety of other activity that enhance personality and health. So we are proud to be part of this institution and we thank Allah and may this academy and successful in coming year. Thanks.